Hey guys, I'm making this video because a lot of you have said, oh, I don't wear makeup, or I don't have time to mess with lashes or whatever. So I'm gonna do like a couple minute tutorial on how to get like a really quick, job done on your face. So first thing, I just have foundation on. I just threw that on. That's all I have on my face right now. So the next step I would do is put on one coat of mascara. And I am using Essence False Lashes. It's $5 because yes, I like nice things, but this mascara works great and it's literally $5. Cool. So that's it. Then I like to go in and just put a little bit on my bottom lash so I don't look naked or dead, whatever. Cool. That's it. Awesome. Don't worry, lashes are coming. Next step I do is a little bit of bronzer. Easy peasy. Hoola is my favorite. Tap, tap. I'm gonna do a little up here. And last but not least, I always contour my nose a little bit because I'm Italian and I have a fat nose. That easy. Then I take a little bit of setting powder with a damp beauty blender and I just go here, here, my contour. Boom, that's it. You can let that sit for a minute or you don't have to. I'm just gonna wipe it right off because I don't really care. Cool, that's all I've done so far. And then I like to put on a little bit of lip gloss because why not? This is Goddess by Lip Sense. It's my favorite one. It's very just light pink or natural. A little bit of pink glow. It's not that much different than my normal lip, I like to think. And last but not least, I like to throw on some lashes. Duh. These are Winter Wonder Lash. And I'm gonna put them on with anchors today because I just want a natural look. I don't even have any eyeliner on. So for anchors, all you do, come up under. Sorry, it's hard to do in a video because I'm like looking in the screen. Boom, that's it. And then I do one more. I'm gonna put one right up in there. And last but not least, I put one in the middle. And that's it. Easy. Ready to go for the day. Obviously I'm gonna do the other eye, but just for demo purposes, this is actually it's only been 3 minutes. So my 3-minute face.